You've heard the term ESG, environmental, social, and governance. It's a way for investors, regulators, and companies to measure how sustainable and ethical a business really is. But here's the question. Where does circularity fit into ESG? Let's break it down. E is for environmental. This is where circularity shines. Circular economy strategies directly reduce environmental impact. Less waste through reuse and recycling. Lower emissions from reduced production and transport. Cleaner energy through renewable and decentralized systems. Resource efficiency by designing out excess. Companies that design circular products, repairable, modular, recyclable, show strong environmental performance. Cities and businesses using reverse logistics, urban mining, and smart waste systems gain points under environmental scoring. If you want to score high on E, go circular. S for social. This one's about people. How does your company treat employees, customers, and communities? Circularity supports social value in multiple ways. Job creation through repair, remanufacturing, and local reuse industries. Access over ownership models that make products affordable. Health and safety through non-toxic materials and cleaner production. Education and empowerment through transparency and engagement. Companies that run sharing platforms, product-as-a-service models, or community repair programs can show strong social outcomes. They're not just reducing harm, they're expanding access. G is for governance. This is about how a company is run. It includes policies, ethics, transparency, and leadership. Circular governance means clear goals around circularity and resource use, supply chain traceability, knowing where your materials come from, metrics and disclosures, tracking how much you reuse, recycle, and regenerate, leadership incentives aligned with circular KPIs. Investors are watching. They want companies that don't just say green, but prove it with data. Circular metrics like material recovery rate, waste to landfill reduction, and product lifespan extension are becoming part of ESG disclosures. ESG ratings and circularity. Major ESG rating agencies like MSCI, Sustainalytics, and ISS are starting to factor in circular economy practices. So are frameworks like the EU Taxonomy, GRI, TCFD, and SASB. For example, GRI 306 requires companies to report on waste. The EU Taxonomy lists circularity as a key environmental objective. CDP includes product circularity in climate impact. In short, circularity isn't just good practice. It's becoming standard reporting. Circularity drives long-term value. Companies with circular strategies are often more resilient to supply chain shocks, less exposed to resource price volatility, better prepared for regulation, more trusted by stakeholders, more attractive to ESG investors. Circularity helps companies future-proof. It turns compliance into competitive advantage, and it helps reframe ESG, not as a burden but a blueprint. A blueprint for businesses that regenerate value, not just extract it. A blueprint for economies that thrive within planetary limits. This is ESG. This is circularity. This is how we align finance, ethics, and design for impact that lasts.